What is going on, everybody? It's Dakota here for another video, and in this one I have another mod to the motorcycle that just came in and I'm super excited. Side note, we finally did it. We are at 1,000 subscribers and I cannot thank you all enough. This has been an amazing journey and I just can't believe it, so thank you all so much. We're going to continue to pump out more videos, and like this one, I just have no words. I'm sorry, I'm just so excited. But without any more hesitation, I'm going to show you what we got. There in that box is the new header and exhaust for my motorcycle, so we're gonna make it louder and sound a lot better. Alright, so I'm gonna be honest with you guys. This is an Amazon header and an Amazon exhaust for my bike, but I mean, not gonna lie, looking at this right now, the quality is pretty damn mint. And I mean, hold on. The welds on this little Amazon pipe, let's see if it'll focus. Or actually, oh, damn it. Okay, you get the point. They're not that bad, honestly. Then it comes with a whole bunch of accessories to make it fit. And that is a just generic slip-on exhaust that will fit my bike. And I got this one for 40 bucks and that one for 30. So about, you know, 100 bucks or so for an exhaust for my bike. And I mean, honestly, it's worth it. So I'm going to go ahead and give you guys a stock sound clip of the bike right now. And then we're going to rip it off and throw this one on. Alright, so this is basically the stock exhaust. There's no mods or anything done to it. It's really quiet, sadly. If there's any wind noise, I'm sorry, but I'm going to go ahead and start it and show you. You heard is pretty disappointing, but it seems like it's a fairly simple install. Now, the only thing that I'm kind of bummed out about on this is it has absolutely zero instructions, which I mean, it's $40 headers. I don't really think they'd have instructions, but it's fairly simple to take the exhaust off, putting it on. We might run into some issues, but I guess this is going to be also a tutorial, so I guess fingers crossed it goes well. Alright, as you can see, I got that ginormous suitcase of a muffler off, and that thing is heavy, so besides sounding great, this is going to really reduce the weight on the bike. Plus, I didn't realize it's going to give us some extra ground clearance, which is cool. Surprisingly, you can do this with a 12mm wrench and a 15mm wrench somewhere over there. Because all you have to do is get these 4 bolts off the header right there. And then there's a 12mm bolt right there. You got to kind of fit your fingers into, because that's what's holding up the stock muffler. After that, it just bolts right out. And then that O2 sensor is a 15mm wrench, so I'm surprised this thing has an O2 sensor, but I mean, we got it out, and now I'm going to go ahead and throw on the new header, and then we'll test fit the muffler. Alright guys, so a little update. Yeah, no instructions, made this pretty complicated to put on. The headers honestly fit pretty good, and it was pretty simple to put the headers on. The slip-on the other hand, absolute nightmare. So that little bar I told you about that was right there holding the stock suitcase on, you've got to somehow take that out. I just banged it out because I'm not going to take that foot peg out. And then, as you can see, with the supplied little bolt in there, you mount the slip-on, and then you have to use the strength of God to put those clips on. And I mean, it has adapters if you have a different slip-on, and bolt it there. Now, the only issue I'm running into that's really frustrating, for my O2 sensor, they included a massive one with no adapter. So, like, I mean, that's like for a car, so I don't really know what to do. But, you know, I'm going to take it to work tomorrow, see if I can drill it out, and I will give you an update then. It's ridiculously loud right now, so I can't really start it right now. But once I get that fixed, I'll come back in a second, and I'll show you what the update is. Alright everybody, as you can see, it is unfortunately another day. This is because I had to order an adapter off of Amazon, so check this out. There, right there, the O2 sensor is in, but I had to get a little adapter, so that's what I was waiting on, honestly. So that's why it's a day or so later. It was only another $10, but honestly frustrating that it's not included. The exhaust sounds way better with that hole plugged up. The only other issue is that I've been riding it for a day or so. That baffle straight up fell out. So this is what it's going to sound like without the baffle, but now I can finally start it to show you guys. So here is a startup of the exhaust. So as you can tell, it sounds pretty good as it is right now. Let me see if I can give you a few quick revs. I can't do too much right here because it's my apartment, but as you can tell, it is stupid loud. A little bit later on, I am going to take this to a back road and do some flybys and some big revs so I can show you guys. This thing shoots fireballs, so that's what I'm super excited about. Alright everybody, so I just drove over to a little spot where I could actually rev it, and again, here's going to be a startup, and I'm going to show you me actually revving it. So as you can tell, it's really loud, and this is again without the baffle, so let me see if I can get the exhaust, and honestly guys, this shoots flames. I know it's the daytime, but let me see if I can get it on camera. I don't know if you guys saw, but it does shoot a little bit of flames. It's better at night, but damn, this thing is stupid loud and it backfires a lot, and I love it. Alright everybody, that's where I'm going to go ahead and end today's video. As you saw, we did those flybys, got those revs for you, so honestly, under $100, that exhaust sounds great. Like I said, the only issue I had was that little O2 sensor, so just buy one of those adapters, you're good. So again, I hope you guys liked the video. Thank you all so much for supporting the channel. It really means a lot to me. Big things coming soon, and I hope you enjoyed this build with the bike, and I'll see you all on the next one.